Hey, here we go with my first gear related video. Unfortunately, it's going to be a little bit rough because, as you already know, I'm still in the process of putting together my studio, so I don't really have a good spot for me to do this, other than my current ugly looking workbench. But it's what I got, it's what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna get to it. As a part of the Komodo group, there are several deals that come through, and I picked up this one. Fortunately, it was at just the right time. I was able to jump on it, saved a bunch of money because of that group, and I guess I'm one of the first people to have this. So this is the A10, or I'm sorry, it's the Atom 600 kV, and you're seeing it all at the same time for the first time. I haven't even had this open yet. Standard instructions. As I'm shooting with a Komodo Stormtrooper edition, I of course had to get the white version. Booyah! Not too shabby. So one of the main selling points of these is that now you finally have HDMI out, which on the Komodo, there's nothing that allows you to have HDMI out. So now I have another SDI out from my RX as well as a HDMI out. And then the USB is just a handy little added bonus. Looks great. The finish on this is pretty dang nice. A lot of people are a bit frustrated that they went with the Sony style batteries versus the Canon, because the Komodo itself uses Canon. I always clap back that that the error was actually on Red's part. More people have these Sony batteries than they have the Canons, so it makes more sense for this. And indeed, that's the case for me. I probably have a dozen of these where I only have the two Canon style batteries that I had to hunt for when I first got the Komodo. And then ultimately, I'm using a V-Lock battery anyway, so that argument's kind of moot. This thing looks good, feels good. Nice sturdy metal body with the plastic antenna cap. I think it's pretty sharp looking, especially in my case because my camera is white with a bunch of black accents, so the black and white is going to look good. I will do a proper review of this later, talking about its functionality, but for now, we're just going to talk about how this looks. You may be able to hear that crazy noise. My vacuum is ruining my life. So, so I'm gonna do this here. Shout out to iRobot. I'm gonna tell my vacuum to be quiet. All right, boom, peace out vacuum. Let's see what other goodies we got here. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm just gonna rip it. I hate these bags. Oh man, SDI cables. A thing that requires cables actually coming with the cables? That blows me away. And two of them? Dude, dope. Alright, all manufacturers, listen right here. See this? Right angle connectors on just your everything. I can't think of a pro cable that I don't have to immediately go out and replace with something with 90-degree connectors on it. Especially all you Limo cable makers, just 90-degree everything. That's pretty rad. And now the most important bit, this right here. So what really sells this for me is that this battery mount can actually come off and it can rotate. Got none of that crazy looking plastic. Oh, we do have the crazy looking plastic. I'm peeling that off right now. This ain't grandma's TV remote. That plastic comes off. See all you people showing pictures of your gear. You always got the plastic on it like you're gonna take it back tomorrow. Not a good look. And this stuff, I don't know what it is about the manufacturer of these B mounts, but that plastic looks like some old tobacco stained cigarette cellophane. Doing terrible with my placement. There it is. The coating is nice. SDI in, so we're going to go from the camera and into there. We've got an SDI out so that we can loop through to other devices like a monitor, which I will be doing. USB-C out. That is just so clutch. It seems like everything nowadays still has regular USB, which I'm well over, just like everybody else. Manufacturers, just stop doing that. We don't want it. Should also have some little stubbies. The original render showed these as being white. They are black. Let's ditch this big ugly battery. That's a sharp looking package. All right. This is it. This is some good stuff. All right, let's cut this.